Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to download Pokemon Go in PC or laptop. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So Pokemon Go is primarily designed for mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets running iOS or Android operating systems. The game utilizes augmented reality or AR technology and GPS functionality, which are typically not available on standard PCs. However, there are ways to play Pokemon Go on a PC using an emulator, which essentially replicates a mobile device's operating system on your computer. Please note that using emulators to play Pokemon Go may violate the game's terms of service and Niantic. So Niantic is the game's developer. Actively monitors and bans accounts associated with emulator use. Proceeding with an emulator is at your own risk. If you still wish to proceed, here are the general steps to download Pokemon Go on a PC using an emulator. First, select an Android emulator. There are several emulators available such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, and Memu. Research and choose the emulator that best suits your requirements. Second, download and install the emulator. So visit the official website of the selected emulator and download the installation file, run the installer, and follow the on-screen instructions to install the emulator on your PC. Next is to set up the emulator. Once installed, open the emulator and complete the initial setup, including signing in with a Google account required for accessing the Google Play Store. Access the Google Play Store. Within the emulator, locate the Google Play Store app and open it. Now, search for Pokemon Go. Use the search function within the Play Store to find the Pokemon Go app. So you should find the search bar at the upper part of your screen. Next is to download and install Pokemon Go. Select Pokemon Go from the search results and click on the Install or Download button to initiate the installation process. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Launch Pokemon Go. After installation, locate the Pokemon Go app within the emulator's app drawer or home screen. Click on the app icon to launch it. So the last thing that you need to do is to set up Pokemon Go. Once the app starts, you may need to go through the initial setup process, including signing in with Pokémon Trainer Club or Google account. Please keep in mind that emulator compatibility, performance, and stability can vary depending on your PC specifications and the emulator you choose. Additionally, using emulators to play Pokemon Go may have consequences such as account bans, as mentioned earlier. It is essential to understand and accept the potential risks before proceeding. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!